I always felt like I had a front seat on history, and so it's a front seat on history in a very strange way, because you're in a room like this with no lights, with sort of sensory deprivation, and you see the world through little television monitors, but I still sort of had this front seat on things. You know, even if I was at an event or in a mobile truck, which is a room with no windows and you're looking at it through television monitors. But, you know, I was there live at Tiananmen Square. I was, you know, I mean, in New York in a room with no windows, but I mean, you know, while that was happening, we were on the air, you know. The Berlin Wall coming down. I mean, so there are lots of like events like that that, you know, I will always remember having just been on the air when they happened. And I, you know, was on the original staff of 48 Hours. You know, I did 40 Hours on Crack Street, which is the first, which was the brainchild of Howard Stringer, who's now president of Sony. But, and that morphed into the series 48 Hours. So I've been lucky enough to sort of be at the beginnings of some really wonderful things.